Hey guys, what's up? Alright. It's Double Deuce back with another segment on the Z28. I'm a little behind on everything right now. Right now we're working on a small block. See, we got a nice 010. And the date code should be somewhere over here. There we go. 1969. So this would be a 70 010 block. Standard bore. I'm going to get ready to give it a good scrubbing today and clean it up. Rebuild kit's on the way. I got the bow housing done. And I do have the 4-speed in my cabinet bead blaster here. I don't know if you guys ever seen one of these things. Glass beads. Looks pretty good. So now walk around over here. I got piles and piles of stuff everywhere. It's all coming together. I did get my subframe done. I'll give you guys kind of an overview of my car. It's getting a little dusty. Got to get it out of here as fast as possible. So I started in my subframe. I got basically everything's brand new except for the center link and the steering shaft. So I got basically brand new calipers and rotors and back-end plates and ball joints and upper and lower bushings and shocks and motor mounts and springs and everything. So once I get it all cleaned up, and I'll set the engine and transmission in, and we'll be good to go. So anyway, yesterday I should say, I had to work on my truck. As you can see, it's got a regular flat hood on the thing, and everything's kind of hacked together on the front because this here is my other hood right here. And you see, a tree fell on the thing while I was driving it down the road. That was a no shit moment. And it totally smoked the nose of the truck. I couldn't even drive it. I had to tow it. But you can say, so these little things that come off suddenly as a surprise kind of throw off the restoration and my RC hobby a little bit too. So anyway, I got her back up and looking good again and driving, so that's a cool thing. So my old plow truck, my M1009 military blazer, pretty cool. Got like the animal guard on the front. I love this thing, I tell you. It was a 6.2 diesel, and I put a little 350 Chevy in it, bolted right in. So it's a turbo 400, got 331 gears in it. It's massively heavy duty, massively. Anywho, I'm getting back to my rear end now. I'm just going to put this in as a roller because I got a nice fresh 373 posi. See, I got brake lines. I got to make all new ones. I'm going to use these as the patterns. And we're going to go from there. Those are my original manifolds. When the car was new with a Y pipe. Yeah, they had a Y pipe on them. Unreal. I might throw the duals back on it. So anywho, I'm getting back to my block. I'll catch you guys later, man. Like, share, subscribe if you want. Adios.